Hello everyone, my name is Fahad and in this video we will demonstrate our project named Python Data Structure Quiz Creation Project using that we have done in the Coursera. So let's start jump into the project.
My name is Yamin and I am student of computer science at Sukkur IBA University. Before learning data structure, I have completed almost three languages that include C++, Java and Python. Now, when we are about to complete our data structure course, our teacher has assigned us a project on Python data structures that is available on Coursera. Me and my group mate Fahad Shahzad are going to explain the project.
So everyone, let's move into the project. In this video, we are going to demonstrate our Python project that is quiz creation using Python data structure and interview. In the, so for this purpose, we have, as we know that Python has multiple data structures like tuples and dictionaries and sets, etc. So we are purely focusing on this project using tuples and dictionary and sets, right? And so in this project, if we look into the output of this project, then just go into this folder and where we have put it our you know project, and we have downloaded one file, that is data file. This is before the execution of that project, and this data file is going to work in this project. And after the working of this project, this data file came into action. So for this data file we will demonstrate later. First of all, look into the project running time. So open cmd and current folder, and first of all we have to check that Python is installed in our machine or not. So let's write Python, and as we know that Python is already installed, so exit it and run command using Python and quiz.py. So as you know that we have multiple options, and we have given one option, that is Netherlands, and we have to choose from these four options that which option can be correct from these one. So I guess that fourth option is correct, so it's saying it's correct option. And second MCQ is Tajikistan. So Yamin, what can be the correct answer for this?
The correct answer can be a third option, but let's input another option and see the output.
Yeah, we are going to put two, right? So it's saying incorrect. You lose this, as because this is the simplest project of Python. So if we get give the exit command to this, so let's if we see into the coding part of this project, then we have some data file. First of all, this is complete data, and as you know that this is country, and this word will give user as an input, as a key, and these are values which could be the correct values. It will choose randomly of these values. And if we see into coding, then first of all we have created these some functions, and if we look into this part, then we have opened our data file, data CSV file, and we have read this file right, using open function of Python, and we have converted these reading into the list of our list. And if we print this list, then it will go and print the complete list without any exit, without any removing of the duplicate, you can say. And for because as we know that duplication is not allowed in MCQ's part, so we have to convert this list into the word set part. And if we have word set converted using set function of Python, then we will write another data set file, that is data set.csv file. As you know that this data file is here. This complete file is a purely without duplication of strings. So at the next we have created the dictionary file. So Yamin will demonstrate this thing.
Here we have created a dictionary, which is a word dictionary, and we are starting a loop here. Uh, in this loop, we are initializing our word and its definition. This function get word definition will get definition from raw string that is on top of the code. Here we have then definitions will be stored in this list. And now on the top on the top of the code, we have another function that is get word definition here.
Okay, wait. Yamin, what is the purpose of this making this dictionary?
The purpose of making this dictionary is getting a definition of the word.
Yeah, I mean key and values, right?
Yes. Key and value.
Yeah,
Now on the top of the code, we have get definition and pop. Uh, this function returns the value by getting its key, and this function returns the value by getting the key and returns the word and its definition. Here
yeah,
it is returned in the form of a tuple. Tuple, uh,
yeah.
tuple is immutable. It cannot be changed. In
And
the
one more thing, that every data structure can return just one value, but tuple, the quality of tuple is that it can return more than one value, right?
yes. Now in the second function here, get word definition, it accepts raw string and it returns a tuple with a word, for example WD or for Pakistan PK and its definition, which is followed by some numbers and commas.
Yeah. As we have seen that these, like if we run in the project, then we can understand more. So quiz.py. So Chizia. So and this is the option CZE 203, right? In these options, the correct one option that is matching, that is 4. So this is separated by comma and explanation of and more. There is 1. Any this is subtracting by one another, and so on, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So by the helper, these helper methods, these two helper methods, we have played a while loop. So we have to play while loop in infinite time because user can enter at many times in this quiz attempt. So as we have created the list again of the dictionary, that so we have understood that dictionary has a key and value. So list will become for these values, and then we have created four options for user, that is choice list, and we have played a for loop for this purpose, that is a range of up to 4. So word and definition, that is tuple, and it will get definition from pop, and it will extract or popping one by one element from this uh, file, from our files. So if we see choice list, I mean one, two, three, and four. I mean these are the options for user to choose the correct one, right?
Yes.
And then we are going to demonstrate this the core of our problem, that is randomly choosing of the words and options for our project. That is our built-in function shuffle from Python, and we have imported a random library of Python, and we give it a choice list. I mean, for with respect to four, it will return the choices like one, two, or three. These choice list.
Next we have
From choice list,
next we have printed a word, a country name,
yeah,
and then we are making uh, then we are printing and the choices, four choices in numbering form. Here index is as index starts from 0, but we are printing here from 1 and printing the choice. And next, in next line we are making user to input four, to input from four numbers, 1 2 3 or 0. 0 if a user print any number other than 1 2 3 4, it will exit. For example, he will input 0, then it will exit the program. Otherwise, uh, otherwise if he enter 1 2 3 4, then it will print whether it is correct or incorrect. Otherwise it will print incorrect, you lose this.
yeah. This was our demonstration of our project, and as we know that we can make it more easy and more user friendly. So as Yamin has demonstrated very well of this project, I don't think that. And one more thing, that if you want to get the code of this project, then we have put it a link in the description from GitHub, and you can download, and you can use the readme file for running of this project completely.
You can also
Okay,
watch
Yamin.
from YouTube, and we are giving the link in the README files of this project. You can download this project from GitHub repository.
Yeah. Okay, Yamin. Thanks for giving your precious time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.